We now continue in this part 8 of our study of expected questions in physics. I need you to pay rapt attention. As a serious science student, you already know how paramount physics is to your success. Our goal is for you to get maximum points, maximum number of marks in your physics exam in this JAMB. So let's move on. What you are watching now is part 8. We've been on a series from part 1. We've done part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and then part 7 we stopped at question number 14, and we're going to continue from there in this video. So avoid every form of distraction. Get your pen and your paper. Let's get to work. Question number 14. An athlete standing waist deep in a swimming pool appears to have short legs because of the light, A, light diffraction, B, light refraction, C, light reflection, D, light interference. The answer should be B. You know, when you put an object in water, that part in water seems to be shorter because the refractive index of water is greater than that of air. The athlete's legs appears to be short while standing in the pool due to refraction. Due to what? Refraction. I hope you are paying attention. By the way, if you have not watched the videos we've done starting from part 1 and other videos we've done on JAMB physics, I need you to go over and start from when you are done with this part 8. I need you to go over and start from part 1 and watch. If you need me to give you the link to all the videos, I could give them to you free of charge. To all the videos we've done on physics, you should ask me in the comment section. Just ask me, say, sir, give me the link to all the videos you have done on physics, and I could give them to you so that you become serious. Some of you say that physics is your weak point, that physics is too difficult. If you watch the videos I do over and over and over again, there is no way you will fail. There is simply no way you will fail. Okay? Number 16, we continue. When the plate surface area of a capacitor increases, dash happens. When the plate surface area of a capacitor increases, dash, A, the voltage can withstand increase. B, the capacitance decreases. C, the capacitance is unaffected. D, the capacitance increases. When the plate surface area of a capacitor increases, A, the voltage can withstand increase. B, the capacitance decreases. C, the capacitance is unaffected. D, the capacitance increases. The answer is D. And this is the explanation. As the surface area of the plate increases, capacitance increases because the large plate provides greater capacity to store electric charge. Assignment number 1. In physics, capacitance is very, very crucial. I want you to give me the definition of capacitor. Then give me types of capacitors, right? This is assignment number 1, and don't jump and pass this assignment. Ensure you give me the answer. Okay, there is a reason why I am giving you each of the assignments I give in this channel. Question number 17. An electromagnetic relay. An electromagnetic relay is a device used for dash. An electromagnetic relay is a device used for dash. A, reading the magnitude of the magnetic flux. B, controlling another circuit carrying larger current. Controlling another circuit carrying larger current. C, turning in spurs. D, storing magnetic field. An electromagnetic relay is actually used for controlling another circuit carrying larger current. An electromagnetic relay is an electrically operated switch that uses a magnet to turn the switch on or off. Okay, are you see here? If you watch this very video, I don't know, If you have not gotten the free JAMB syllabus and the free JAMB past question I am giving out, if you watch this video from now to the end, I'm going to give you free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question. It's simple. I will send it to you, but then I will tell you how you can get it when you watch this particular video from here to the very end. I want you to pay critical attention to this question 18, right? It's always coming out. According to kinetic molecular model in gases, A, the particles, remember, according to kinetic molecular model in gases, A, the particles are closely packed together, they occupy minimum space, are usually arranged in regular pattern. B, the particles vibrate about fixed position and are held together by a strong intermolecular bond between them. C, the molecules are very fast apart and occupy all the spaces made available to them. D, the particles occur in clusters with molecules slightly further apart. The answer is that when it comes to molecular model of gases, the answer is C. The molecules of a gas are very fast apart and occupy all the space made available. According to the kinetic molecular model in gases, gas particles are in constant motion. They know the rest. It is solids that are in one place. Liquid are moving but not so fast, right? But gases will be moving all around, vibrating all around, right? According to the kinetic molecular model in gases, I need you to be writing these things down because there are the things that you could encounter in your JAMB exam, right? According to the kinetic molecular model in gases, gas particles are in constant motion and exhibit perfectly elastic collision. According to the kinetic molecular model in gases, gas particles are in constant motion and exhibit perfectly elastic collision. They maintain the main postulate of the theory are, remember, we are not just answering questions, I'm also lecturing you, right? Because JAMB could twist the question, so you need to get an idea of what it is about. The main postulate of the theory are the particles in a gas are in constant random motion. That is number one. Number two, the combined volume of the particles is negligible. C, the particles exert no force on one another. 4, any collision between the particles are completely elastic. 5, the average kinetic energy of the particles is proportional to the temperature in kelvins. Remember, don't just watch this video once. I need you to watch to the end, then come over and watch it more slowly. Watch it over and over again so that it will really prepare you for the exam. Okay? Yeah. Let's move on to question number 20. I need you to look at this diagram on the screen very well. Let me make it very bold. Can you look at it? Look at this diagram very well, because from this diagram we'll be picking our question. For a pear-shaped conductor shown, the concentration of charge on the outside is highest at dash. On these points, where is the concentration of the energy or the charge more on this conductor? Is it on point Z, on point K, on point Y, or on point X? The answer is simple. The highest charge is on the pointed point, on the pointed area, which is point X. Which is what? Point X. Are you learning? Remember that if you need me to give you access to the other videos we have done on the other subjects, like we have done many videos on chemistry, we have done many videos on biology, we have done many videos on use of English, on the JAMB novel, we have done several videos on government, chemistry, literature. Any one of them you need, just let me know and I could give you the link to all of them. Okay. The vapor pressure A. The vapor pressure dash increases non-linearly with measuring temperature. B. Increases linearly with increasing temperature. C. Decreases linearly with increasing temperature. D. Decreases non-linearly with measuring temperature. The answer is A. Vapor pressure increases non-linearly with measuring temperature. According to Celsius, the vapor pressure of any substance increases non-linearly with temperature. I hope you are following. Okay, let's look at question number 22. The potential energy in an elastic string of force constant K, which has an extension X, is dash. The potential energy in an elastic string of force constant K, which has an extension X, is dash. Is it? Look at the formulas. You can see the formulas on the screen, right? The answer simply is what? C. The answer simply is say half kx squared. Half ks squared. Okay, I hope you are following. Let's look at question number 24. Water is not a good thermometric liquid because it's dash. Water, we have thermometric liquids like mercury. Thermometric liquids are those liquids that are used in thermometers, right? Every thermometer has those liquids. The popular one is mercury, right? Depending on the linear expansivity when temperature changes. Okay, water is not a good thermometric liquid because its dash A, expands unevenly between 0 and 4 degrees. B, maintains fixed density. C, has low freezing points. D, wets glass. Water wets glass, right? One of the requirements of a thermometric liquid such as mercury is that it doesn't get the glass wet. Because water wets glass, has a higher freezing point and lower boiling point than many other liquids, low thermal expansivity, high specific capacity, and high vapor pressure. Okay, let's look at question number 25. Which of these is a second class lever? Which of these is a second class lever? A, sugar tongue. B, claw tongue. C, plier. D, wheelbarrow. The answer is B, wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. Examples of second class levers are bottle opener, wheelbarrow, air opener. Examples of first class lever is weighing balance, plier, claw hammer, scissors, crossbar. Now, assignment number 2 or number 3 for you is tell me what a lever is and the different classes of lever and the criteria for determining whether a machine is first class lever, second class lever, or third class lever. Okay, let's look at question number 26. I hope you are learning. I hope you are following. Question number 26. In the formation of sea breeze, the wind blows from dash. We have land breeze and sea breeze. In the formation of sea breeze, the land blows from dash. A, sky to land. B, sea to sky. C, land to sea. D, sea to land. The answer in sea breeze blows from sea to land, right? In sea breeze blows from sea to land. The formation of sea breeze is a local wind pattern that occurs during the day near coastal areas. It is caused by the temperature difference between the land and the adjacent body of water, typically the sea. During the day, the land heats up more quickly than the water, leading to a temperature gradient between the two. Okay, I hope that you pick up your textbook and read more. Don't just focus on these videos I make. As you watch them, note them down and then get your textbook and read more on them. Okay, then we tackle question number 27. Question number 27. Okay, which component of the fiber optic connector has a provision of entry for the fiber along with the fixation to connector housing? Okay, let's take the question again. Which component of the fiber optic connector has a provision of entry for the fiber along with the fixation of the connector housing? A, couplers. B, cables. C, furrows. D, connector housing. The answer is couplers. The answer is couplers. Fiber optic couplers are used to split the input signal into 2 or more outputs. That is why I keep encouraging you. Between now and the time we have for JAMB, it is for you to read, study as much as you can. After the JAMB, we can play around, we can party, you can travel. But these few weeks we have to the JAMB exam is for complete study. You are going to gain admission this year. Yes, you are going to study, score 300 and above. You will be among those that will be proud of your JAMB results. I want you to claim it in the comment section. You will not fail JAMB, but then you need to put in the work. You need to put in the effort. The 300 and above will not fall from the moon. And anybody telling you they will increase your JAMB result, that if you pay money they will, no. It doesn't work in JAMB. It could work in WAEC, it could work in NECO, but when it comes to JAMB, it is what you score that you will get. So let us focus. Please focus and focus and focus. Okay? The most stable instrument to view the sun is dash. The most stable, suitable instrument to view the sun is dash. Helioscope, B. Telescope, C. Stroboscope, D. Sun meter. The required, the suitable instrument is helioscope. Helioscope is the most suitable instrument to view the sun. A helioscope is an instrument for viewing the sun without harming the eye. So if you want to view the sun, the recommended instrument is what? Helioscope. Now, the last assignment for you, which I want you to submit in the comment, is I want you to find out and submit what telescope is used for, what stroboscope is used for, and sun meter. Find out for me what telescope is used for, what stroboscope is used for, and what sun meter these things are used for. I want you to give them to me because JAMB will twist their questions, and these are the areas they might want to come from. Okay? Now, question number 29. The eclipse of the sun occurs when we will continue with this question in the next video. The eclipse of the sun occurs when the moon reflects. I won't go into question 29. In part 9, we will continue from question number 29. Okay, to get the past question and the free syllabus, what you need to do is, number 1, join our YouTube channel, which is compulsory and very crucial. Join our YouTube channel. Number 2, when you join, like this video, then share this video. Click on share this video, copy the link, share it here on YouTube, share the link on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Telegram channels, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, which is very, very important. Okay, once you do that, when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, when you join, like and share, then subscribe. Once you subscribe, come under this video and type I have subscribed. Come under this video and type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I've subscribed, I will chat you up and send you all the materials I've promised you. There is an important video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Tap on it now and watch immediately.